So in this video, we're going to talk about AMD, and like the rest of the companies and stocks in the semiconductor sector, AMD also got hit. It's coming off of highs of roughly $227 established. Got to go back to roughly a year ago. And the news, at least the bad news, continues. They just got downgraded by Jefferies. And so before we get into the analysis, let's actually get into the news. So shares of AMD dropped pre-market trading on Friday. Jefferies analyst Blayne Curtis downgraded the stock to a buy to a hold and lowered the price target from 135 to 120. The downgrade was influenced by a proprietary GPU benchmarking report indicating that AMD's performance in AI and competition with Nvidia and Intel may pose challenges. Now, the downgrade also reflects concerns over AMD's limited traction in the AI market, overly optimistic street estimates, and the potential for increased competition from Intel. Jefferies anticipates more downside risk than upside potential for AMD in the near term. As the proprietary benchmark study suggests, AMD has significant ground to cover before it can effectively compete with Nvidia. I'm a firm believer that the pie is big enough for 2 and 3 companies, as we are still in the early stages of this AI revolution. So this is the monthly chart, and as I suggested, as the chart are suggesting, with prices down 50%, prices are selling at a discount, and that discount is in the form of monthly buyers at $90. Let's drill down to the lower time frames, but first let me see if I can. You have this trend line. All right, a break of this, another confluence to go long. However, if you do believe in supply and demand, then that would be all you would need to get long in this case. Now, this is the weekly chart, and as you can see, price is bouncing off the top of this zone. Now, this red rectangle represents weekly buyers, but it is not fresh. It's just a reaction to this drop and this rally here. I want to analyze this a bit more on the daily chart because I'm not really seeing the structure as to why I indicated it as weekly buy. All right, let's go back to that level. All right. So I'm going to revise. So this is a drop. Got basing candles and then the rally out. So drop, base, rally on huge volume. Above average volume. So this is daily buyers. Now if we zoom over, let's see. To the T. And that daily buy level is nested within a monthly buy level, making it even a stronger level. Now, some immediate local resistance support. It's going to come in at 115. As you can see, the 50-day, 100-day, 200-day still pointing downwards. Your momentum moving averages are trying to turn. And so potentially this is the play out. Retest, maybe a liquidity grab. Before prices eventually break higher. Let me know what your thoughts. Is AMD a buy, hold, or a sell?